Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Fixing some cracks and some welds here, and I got to take those wheels off and pack the bearings before I run down there and attempt getting the skid steer. And yes, Mike, I understand that was the first thing I said when I saw the trailer. Oh, that's way too short, but we're gonna make it work. I don't have lots of money. I am broke. I've been an owner-operator through the bad at worst time where 88,000 trucking companies went out of business, an average of 300 to 800 a week this year. And for people like me that didn't have direct loads, I was going broke. I've spent over $50,000 to try to keep my truck on the road. So I'm basically paying to haul people's freight, and I don't really have any money. So I don't have the choice to go out and buy whatever trailer I want. I was able to come up with this one for 900 bucks. So I'm just gonna have to make it work and get the trailer or get that unit home and start making money with it, or we're all gonna be out in the street because I'm broke. Okay? So yes, I know it's short, Mr. Mike. Thank you for your comment. But it's all I can come up with the little money that I got. Trying to make it work. I've been thinking I could either modify this, or I could take that trailer, since it's built so much better, and transfer all the axles and everything out on it later on. Right now I just need to get that unit home so that I can get it on a job site where it can make money. I don't have no money and I ain't making no money. So the big thing is right now is just to figure out how to get that thing home and then to the job site. So I'm sorry the fact that I picked a really short trailer, but for 900 bucks, what you gonna do? Oh, that's what I went over to do.
This is the last day of May. This is May 31st. This is Thursday. No, Friday. Friday. Hey, it was a week ago that we went and got the skid steer a week ago. Or we went down to look at it last Friday. So here we are a week later. This is Friday, May the 31st, 2024. And so much has happened in 1 week's time. It's crazy. Insane. It was last Friday night that the man came and retrieved the truck and drove away with the truck and trailer last Friday night. So all of this has been transpiring in 1 7-day time period. I can't believe this is the last day of May.
Okay, what the joke is on me.
The joke is on you.
Yeah, I tried to get it to read, but it won't read, so we gotta move this. I spent an hour trying to find the tips.
But did you find them?
Yeah, well, all my stuff is strung out all over the place. I don't know where anything is.
Oh! Oh my goodness, you just hit your head. Praise the Lord you had the helmet on.
Better watch your eyes. You can look through the camera, don't look through your eyes.